Hey everyone, welcome back. Your go-to spot for honest reviews and expert recommendations. Today, we're diving into a cool topic, literally. We'll be exploring the best refrigerators on the market to help you find the perfect one for your home. Whether you're after style, space, or energy efficiency, we've got you covered. Let's chill and jump right in. Best of 5. Frigidaire Refrigerator. Spacious and compact design. The Frigidaire is the perfect blend of a compact size and generous storage. With a total capacity of 7.5 cubic feet, it offers ample space for apartments, dorm rooms, and offices. Adjustable interior shelving. The refrigerator is designed with adjustable glass shelves, allowing users to customize the storage space, whether you need more room for taller bottles or extra compartments. Energy efficient and quiet operation. It comes with an energy-saving compressor that minimizes electricity usage, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Sleek and modern aesthetic. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek and professional look that fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Reliable cooling performance. With a highly efficient cooling system, this refrigerator keeps food fresh for longer. It also has a separate freezer compartment, perfect for storing frozen meals, ice, and other essentials. Best of 4. Gallan's Refrigerator. Large capacity for families. With an impressive 18 cubic feet of space, the Gallan's GLR 18FS5S16 is designed to meet the needs of larger households. Frost-free operation. Say goodbye to manual defrosting. This refrigerator features frost-free technology, ensuring that ice doesn't build up over time and reducing maintenance needs. Electronic temperature control. It is equipped with an electronic control panel that allows precise temperature adjustments. This feature ensures that food stays fresh and at an optimal temperature. Sleek stainless steel exterior. The modern stainless steel design adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen. It resists fingerprints and smudges, making it easy to keep clean with minimal effort. Whisper quiet performance. Unlike some larger refrigerators that can be noisy, this model operates quietly, making it a great choice for open concept living spaces or homes where noise levels matter. Best of 3. Kenmore Refrigerator. Smart storage solutions. This Kenmore refrigerator provides a well-designed storage system with adjustable shelves, multiple crispers, and spacious door bins. Efficient cooling system. The advanced cooling technology ensures uniform temperatures throughout the fridge, keeping food fresh for longer. Energy-saving design. With an energy-efficient compressor, this refrigerator reduces electricity consumption without compromising performance. This makes it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious consumers. LED interior lighting. The bright LED lighting inside the refrigerator makes it easy to find items, even at night. It also uses less energy compared to traditional bulbs, contributing to lower power bills. Modern look with durable build. The stainless steel finish not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also adds durability. It resists corrosion, making it a long-lasting investment for any home. Best of 2. RCA Refrigerator. Compact yet spacious. Despite its relatively small footprint, the RCA RFR 1504 offers 15 cubic feet of storage space, making it an excellent option for apartments, offices, or small kitchens. Adjustable thermostat. The built-in adjustable thermostat allows users to set the optimal temperature for food preservation, ensuring freshness for extended periods. Separate freezer compartment. Unlike some compact refrigerators, this model includes a separate freezer, providing ample space for frozen foods without affecting the refrigerator's storage. Energy-efficient cooling. This refrigerator features an advanced cooling system that minimizes energy consumption while maintaining consistent temperatures. Sleek stainless steel. Finish. The modern stainless steel exterior enhances the overall look of any kitchen, providing a stylish and professional touch while also being easy to clean. Our top choice, Samsung refrigerator. Massive storage capacity. With a whopping 27 cubic feet of space, this Samsung refrigerator is ideal for large families or those who love to stock up on groceries. Side-by-side design. The side-by-side layout makes accessing both fresh and frozen items a breeze. The design also helps with organization, allowing you to separate different types of food efficiently. High-tech cooling features. Samsung's all-around cooling technology ensures even air distribution throughout the fridge. This keeps food at an optimal temperature, preventing spoilage and maintaining freshness. Water and ice dispenser. The built-in water and ice dispenser provides instant access to cold water and crushed or cubed ice, adding to its convenience. It's perfect for households that use ice frequently. Sleek, premium finish. With a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish, this refrigerator not only looks great but is also easy to maintain. Thanks for sticking around, everyone. I hope this guide to the best refrigerators gave you the insights you needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and let me know in the comments which fridge caught your eye. Until next time, stay cool and take care.